So I wanted to play with this old mirror that I had out in my garage. So I decided to use some fireplace glass and resin and jacquard inks. I also put a few drops here and yonder of the pebeo prism type paints in there. I also ordered for the first time these powdered, hopefully I got that where you can see it, pigment colors for resin. So there's a little bit of that mixed in there. There are, if you can see, there's glass and there's pieces of necklace and there is glitter. This is just the first layer of resin, so I will be putting another layer of resin on it. But it's kind of cool looking. As we speak right now, I just got finished doing the pour. But I'm arting today, and I hope you guys are enjoying some kind of creativity today. This is the pebeo here. It like has a honeycomb effect. And then there's the creamy is like a pearl effect. Anyways, I think it's kind of cool. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace out to you.